Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 10. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this video, we need to simplify the given expression, and we will need to use the order of operations. We have 4 plus 6 minus 10 divided by 2. So we have an addition, a subtraction, and a division. So we will need to do the division first. So we have 4 plus 6 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we have an addition and a subtraction. They are on the same level, so we do the operation as we see it going from left to right. So we'll do the addition first because that's what we see first. And so 4 plus 6 is 10, and then we have minus, and then we have 5. And now 10 minus 5 is 5, and that is our final answer. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.